This is one of my favorite recipes to make. So I'll take high protein tofu and I'll rinse it off from the packet. Then I will cut it up into rectangles before chopping it up into smaller bite-sized pieces into cubes, so it'll cook a lot better. This is what it looks like. I add some vegan butter to the pan, and then I'll add some salt to the tofu just to dehydrate a bit more. Make sure that the oil is hot and bubbling before you add the tofu, and make sure that you spread it evenly. Cover it up for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, you chop up your onions, make sure that those are nice and small pieces so they'll cook well. Then you want to add some broccoli, chop that up into tiny pieces as well. I'll wash some mushrooms, and then I'm going to add that to the mix as well. Mushrooms, broccoli, and onions. Yes, so once that is all chopped up, I will flip the tofu, make sure that it's brown on each side. You don't want it to be burned or stick into the pot, so that's why covering it does help, just to release some of the water and the steam there. So once I flip all of that over so that the other side of it will cook, then I will go ahead and add the veggies. So onions, broccoli, mushrooms, I will add all those in right on top of the tofu. Shake it up to mix it up a little bit, and then after that I'm gonna add some seasoning. So I like garlic powder, black pepper, Italian herbs. I've already added some salt, but you can add a little bit more if you want. Let that cook openly. You can also cover it if you'd like, and then go ahead and check your tofu. Make sure that it's brown on both sides. When it's done, serve it up in a plate, nice and steamy, and it would be good to go. So enjoy.